Alright, so after about a month of being on back order and tracking the shipping and everything, Jegs finally sent me my shifter that I needed to finish the car. I got my transmission painted, I got the cooler, I have everything I need to do. Now I just need to put it all together. So this is the quarter stick for the forward facing valve body. I think it fits the 904, 727, the C4, C6, and the GM Turbo 350 and 400. I haven't seen it yet, but it looks pretty sweet in the pictures. It's supposed to come with a shift cable and all that good stuff. Here's the shifter. This looks like your mounting bracket type deal. I think this is for the Mopar trannies that bolts into the valve body pan. Here's the cable. Installation instructions. Here's all your hardware. Don't know how much of that you're going to use. Looks like the different mounts for the different transmissions. I don't know if you can see that through the glare, but the cable looks really nice. Nice and heavy. Don't feel like it ever break if you're shifting it too hard or pulling back on it too hard or anything. Here's the shifter. Here we go. It's got the nice Hurst knob on it. Nice logos. Looks like it's pre-greased, has the neutral safety switch and everything on it. Pretty nice piece. But that is the last thing that I needed to complete the C4 swap, parts-wise, I think. It is close to Christmas. The girlfriend's mom got me a radio delete that I needed. So the car's coming along pretty good. Till next time.